This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create an S3 bucket in AWS. Whether you're new to Amazon Web Services or just need a refresher, you'll find this guide helpful in navigating the AWS console and setting up your storage solution. First, let's head over to your AWS Management Console. Once you're logged in, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is an incredibly handy tool for quickly navigating AWS's vast array of services. In the search bar, type in S3 and you'll see an option for S3 Scalable Storage in the cloud. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you're in the S3 dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll notice a prominent orange button that says Create Bucket. This is where you'll begin the process of setting up your new storage bucket. Click on this button to get started. Once you've clicked Create Bucket, you'll be taken to a page where you can define the core settings of your new S3 bucket. This is a crucial step, as these settings will determine how your bucket functions and who can access it. Here, you can give your bucket a unique name. Remember, bucket names must be globally unique across all existing bucket names in Amazon S3, so make sure to choose a name that hasn't been used yet. You'll also need to select a region for your bucket. It's generally a good idea to choose a region that is geographically close to you or your users to minimize latency and potentially reduce costs. Next, you'll see options to configure various controls. These include settings for versioning, logging, and tags, among others. Versioning is particularly useful if you want to keep multiple versions of an object in the same bucket, while logging can help you track requests for access to your bucket. Consider which of these options best suit your needs and configure them accordingly. After you've configured your controls, take a moment to review your settings. It's always a good idea to double-check that everything is set up the way you want it before moving on. Once you're satisfied, it's time to save your configurations and create the bucket. At the bottom of the page, click the Create Bucket button to finalize the process. And that's it! You've successfully created an S3 bucket in AWS. You can now start uploading objects, configure additional settings, and integrate your bucket with other AWS services. Remember, S3 is incredibly versatile, so take some time to explore its capabilities. Thanks for following along in this quick tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and are now ready to start leveraging the power of Amazon S3 for your storage needs. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to explore AWS's extensive documentation or reach out to their support team. Happy cloud computing!